Welcome back YouTube. My name is Dennis Panuta for tutorials.eu. In some cases you might get to a point where you have many different objects in your game. And then you will have many different objects in your hierarchy as well. So you will see that there is a full hierarchy of hundreds and thousands of objects sometimes based on how many objects are created. For example, programmatically, let's say you create bullets, then you will have many different bullets in your game. You shoot bullets, your enemies shoot bullets, everyone shoots bullets, and there are bullets everywhere. And then you'll have your whole hierarchy full with bullets. You will not be able to see all the other important game objects anymore. So how you can solve that is very easy by creating folders. And I created a game object in one of the last videos. I'm going to delete that again because I'm going to create a new one. So let's create an empty game object. And that one has a position at somewhere. What always makes sense is to reset that component. So reset the transform component. So now our game object is at the center point of 0, 0, 0. And now we can use that one as a folder. So let's rename that to, let's say, bullets. And now we could have all of our bullets in that folder. Or in our case, what would make more sense is our cubes could be our dominoes. Now we could drag all of our dominoes inside of that dominoes folder. So that one is called cube currently. So let's call it domino and let's apply that. And now if we duplicate it, as you can see, it will always be within the dominoes folder, and I can simply close the folder and it will only be the folder here that is in the top hierarchy within our hierarchy view. And that in the end will make it much easier to find the game objects that we need. So whenever it makes sense to create folders, go ahead. It makes sense, for example, if you have the same object multiple times or multiple instances of a prefab, or if you have a terrain, if you want to have a specific map or something, it would make sense to put that into your folder. So all those kind of things are perfect examples for folders. So don't forget that, keep that in mind. We will use folders in this course. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please leave a like. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then leave a comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, if you really love the content and you would like to have more of it or pretty much all of it, then of course, check out the link in the description to my whole course. See you in the next video. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.